Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add clickable links or hyperlinks to your Canva documents. Now if you have been searching all the internet for this type of video, this is a video for you. So to start, just go to any text you want to add your hyperlink to, any text at all. This, I can just double click on it and you would see this link icon here, like a intertwined, like an intertwined clip. Just click on it and a pop-up will appear where you can add your link, and you can go back to your Chrome or whatever app you use to browse and select your link here. This is my channel. I can copy it and take it back to my Canva document and click on enter the key, the website, click enter. Good. And I can choose the display mode. Is either I embed it or I'll just leave the link the way it is. Let me leave it the way it is as link, and I'm click done, which means that anytime somebody comes here, my link will pop up. But if I want it embedded, I can click on edit and embed it. And okay, it's taking time, which means it will appear this way. Double click to interact. I'm going to double click on it and I would see my image here. I can click on the link and it should take me to my page. So that is how to, okay, it's bringing it. I think it's just because it's the first time. Oh, it's open multiple. So we can wait for the image to the website. Okay, this is it, and there you have it, guys. This is how to add your hyperlink to your Canva documents. If this video has helped you in any way possible, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Also, if you are facing any problem, you can just drop it below and I will try my best to fix it or create a video on it. Do have a great day, guys.